so we're starting our nighttime regimen with the first step in cleansing, which is to take off any kind of makeup or anything on the skin. I'm using the brandless facial wipes. So this is just a great way to take everything off before you cleanse the skin. You wanna make sure you're using an oil cleanser or wipe to take any makeup, primer, etc. off of the face. That way your cleanser can actually work on cleansing your skin. So after we have all of that off, we will go ahead and start an actual cleansing with the Francis Prescott Tri-Balm. I love this cleanser. I bought it in Scotland. It smells amazing. You put that stick and you just kind of roll that over the face and then massage it in. It's kind of like an oily balm in the most delicious way. And then you're gonna let that sit on the skin for a few minutes after you massage it, because it does have some little enzymes in there, so it'll do a little bit of exfoliating. So after a couple of minutes, or just quick like this, I wet my fingertips and I massage that in and it kind of turns into a milk. And then I take that off with a hot towel. Now, I always remove my cleanser. That's me spilling water, by the way. I always remove my cleanser with a hot towel. I love the way it feels, and I feel like it just adds that extra little, deep cleanse to the skin. It reminds me of being in the studio. So I love the way that feels. So I'm taking everything off. And now we're gonna go ahead and grab the Pixie toner, the Glow Tonic. I'm just popping that on a cotton pad and I'm gonna sweep it over the face. I vary my toners during the week, but I just felt like a little exfoliating toner tonight. So just for a little extra glow. So just sweep that over the face. And now, oh, it feels good. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the Dermaware Aerobic Infusion Serum, which is one of my favorite. It's loaded with peptides. So I take about 1 or 2 pumps of that and I'm just feathering that over the skin and working that in really gently. And after that is applied, I'm going on to my sleeping mask, or a night cream at this point, which is the Modern Mask from Dermaware, which is actually my best seller at the studio. I love this. So I take a little bit, pat it around the face, and then blend it in. Smells delicious, feels delicious, and works wonders. You can also then always kind of just like warm the hands together and press it into the skin to get better penetration. And now we go ahead with the Cosmetics Eye Doctor. I warm this one between the fingertips and then tap it in under the eyes so it penetrates a little better. And then after I'm done with the eye area, anything I have left over, I do on little lines like around the mouth, nasolabial folds, 11s. And you guys, that's it. Sleep tight and good night.